It is time to get Fat Bastard out of hibernation and get ready for the summer projects. It's going to be rebuilding that subframe, getting the transmission that I rebuilt in it, probably a few other odds and ends. So let's get to it. Get the tires aired up. So I realized at this point my microphone shifted and was pretty muffled, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for this section. As the car sits for the winter, there's still condensation that builds up on the outside of things. So I got a little surface rust on the valve covers, and I noticed some on the power steering pump. It's going to clean up pretty easy. It's not really that big a deal. I had also run the carburetor dry before I parked it to make sure the gas didn't go bad and then cause issues. So I'm going to pull the air cleaner and get the bowls filled up. Did see oxidation actually on the carburetor as well, but that was almost kind of like a powder, so it wiped right off. And here we get some fresh gas going in, make sure that this thing pops off as easily as it can. Good battery power. Didn't lose much over the winter, which is kind of surprising. Cooled. Let's see what happens here. Huh. Oh, got a little pop. Not quite there. Okay, we're gonna have to jump some power to this thing. Almost had it. Let's try that, jumping off my car. All right, say a little prayer. It's gonna go easy. Too easy. Now it still has the exhaust thing inside. got 60 pounds. Water temperature hasn't come up just yet. It's charging. Idling at about 800, 900 RPM. I haven't touched a thing on this thing other than a little gas down the floats and jump off the other car. Fired right up. All right, let's see how far we get with it. Can't imagine the transmission's gotten any better. Oh, that torque converter is empty. Yeah, she ain't happy. Well, it's running. I'm just gonna try and take it around the block. And knock some of the rust off the rotors before the trans gives up. Because I know it will. Yeah, there's a little slip. All right, we're heading home. Nothing else, get the juices flowing in the motor. Differential, work the brakes a little bit. Power steering is squealing a little bit. Get some fresh gas up from the tank. Spectacular camera work, I know. I think we're just going to pull her end nose in. I'm not going to try and back it in. I really don't know how much time I got with this. So that's going to end this for today. It's looking like it's going to rain. Somewhat successful. It fired up. It ran. Trans did slip. A few things howling. But nothing I wasn't expecting. So it begins. Time to get going on this thing again. So keep tuning in. I appreciate you for watching this one, such as it was. Kind of a short one, pretty uneventful. I'm Corey. This is Buckle Up Garage. That's Fat Bastard. It's going to get better. Later.